Welcome to an opulent exploration of self-expression through the art of posing, guided by the esteemed Saleema Mansur, a connoisseur of elegance and confidence. In this masterclass, Saleema unveils the luxurious art of posing, a sophisticated skill that transcends mere photography to become a declaration of one's inner radiance and poise. Here, we delve into how mastering this art can refine your presence, whether you're gracing the high-fashion runways, strolling through the chic avenues of daily life, or capturing moments in the digital tapestry of social media. Saleema introduces the concept of posing as an educational journey towards self-mastery, where each pose is an opportunity to showcase not just apparel, but your personal narrative of success and sophistication. Runway Ready, the epitome of confidence with Saleema Mansur. Under Saleema's tutelage, we uncover the secrets of runway posing, where posture becomes poetry. She educates us on the importance of a regal spine alignment, shoulders that echo the grace of a seasoned ballerina, and the art of angling the body to sculpt the air with luxury. Saleema demonstrates how to distribute weight to evoke movement, creating an aura of fluidity even in stillness. Facial expressions are a masterclass in subtlety. Saleema champions the technique of the smize to communicate depth and allure. Through her curated collection of runway highlights, we study classic poses that speak of power, poise, and the nuanced storytelling of fashion. Street smart, everyday elegance with Saleema. Transitioning from the runway's grandeur to the street's spontaneity, Saleema teaches how to pose with an air of effortless chic. She educates on capturing natural moments with an overlay of sophistication, advocating for poses that are both authentic and captivating. In social scenarios, her advice turns mundane interactions into opportunities for displaying grace and interest, drawing from her own experiences of turning everyday moments into expressions of luxury and style. Embark on a journey of opulence and cultural celebration with Dashiki Films, where we pay homage to Saleema Mansur, a beacon of inspiration in the world of fashion and self-expression. This masterclass is not just a course, it's an ode to the art of posing, wrapped in the luxurious threads of African heritage. Here, under Saleema's tutelage, we learn to transform every pose into a statement of elegance, pride, and personal narrative. Saleema invites us to see posing as an educational pathway to self-mastery, where each gesture is an opportunity to showcase not only attire, but also the rich tapestry of one's cultural identity, infused with a tone of luxury. Runway Ready, Saleema Mansur's legacy of sophistication. In this segment, we explore Saleema's profound impact on runway posing, where she elevates the catwalk into a spectacle of African grace.